Are you on a mission to get that flat belly and feel your best? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the foods you should avoid to achieve a flatter, healthier tummy. From bloating culprits to sneaky sugars, we'll cover the top foods to steer clear of on your flat belly journey. Grab your water, sit back, and let's dive into the delicious world of flat, belly-friendly eating. Ready to find out what to skip? Let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about sugary drinks. These are some of the biggest culprits when it comes to belly fat. Sugary drinks include sodas, sweetened teas, energy drinks, and even those seemingly healthy fruit juices. So, why are sugary drinks so bad for your belly? They are packed with calories that provide no nutritional value. Unlike solid foods, these liquid calories don't fill you up, leading to overconsumption of calories throughout the day. Studies have shown that consuming high amounts of fructose, a type of sugar found in sweetened beverages, can lead to increased fat accumulation around your abdomen. This type of fat, known as visceral fat, is particularly harmful because it surrounds your internal organs and is linked to various health issues. They also cause rapid spikes in your blood sugar levels, followed by quick drops. This roller coaster effect can increase cravings and hunger, leading to overeating and weight gain. Regular consumption of sugary beverages can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where your body becomes less effective at lowering blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance is a key driver of belly fat gain and can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Liquid sugars don't impact the brain's appetite control centers in the same way as solid foods, meaning you might still feel hungry after consuming a sugary drink, which can lead to additional calorie intake. Remember, cutting out sugary drinks can make a huge difference in your journey to a flatter belly. Alright, let's move on to processed foods. These are everywhere and can be hard to avoid, but if you're aiming for a flat belly, it's essential to be aware of their impact. Processed foods include items like chips, cookies, crackers, instant noodles, and many prepackaged meals. They often contain trans fats and saturated fats. These unhealthy fats can increase your belly fat and are linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease. Many processed foods have high levels of added sugars. These sugars add extra calories without nutritional benefits and contribute to insulin resistance, increased belly fat, and weight gain. Processed foods are typically high in sodium, which can cause your body to retain water and lead to bloating. This makes your belly look and feel distended. These foods are often stripped of their natural nutrients during processing and then fortified with synthetic vitamins and minerals. They lack the fiber, vitamins, and minerals found in whole foods, which are essential for maintaining a healthy weight and digestion. The combination of fats, sugars, and salt in processed foods can trigger the brain's reward system, making you crave more and overeat. This can lead to a cycle of constant snacking and increased calorie intake. Next up, let's talk about refined grains. These are common staples in many diets, but they can be a major obstacle if you're aiming for a flat belly. Refined grains include products like white bread, white rice, pasta, and many pastries. Here's why they're not the best choice for a trim tummy. The refining process removes the bran and germ from the grain, which strips away most of the fiber. Fiber is crucial for feeling full and satisfied, and it helps regulate your digestive system. Refined grains have a high glycemic index, meaning they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. This can lead to increased hunger and cravings, and over time, can contribute to insulin resistance and fat accumulation around the belly. Without fiber and nutrients, refined grains provide calories but little else in terms of nutrition. These empty calories can easily contribute to weight gain if not balanced with nutrient-dense foods. Frequent consumption of refined grains can lead to more fat being stored in the abdominal area. This is due to the insulin spikes that promote fat storage. Some studies suggest that a diet high in refined grains can increase inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a higher risk of various diseases and can make it harder to lose belly fat. Making the switch from refined grains to whole grains and other healthier options can make a significant difference in your journey to a flatter belly. What's more, let's talk about alcohol. We all enjoy a drink now and then, but if you're aiming for a flat belly, alcohol can be a major hindrance. Alcoholic drinks are high in calories but provide no nutritional value. These empty calories can quickly add up and contribute to weight gain, particularly around the midsection. Alcohol can increase your appetite and reduce inhibitions, leading to overeating. It's easy to consume more food than usual when you're drinking, especially unhealthy snacks. When you drink alcohol, your body prioritizes metabolizing it over other nutrients. This means that the calories from food you consume while drinking are more likely to be stored as fat, particularly in the abdominal area. Many alcoholic beverages, especially cocktails, are loaded with sugar. This can lead to spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, promoting fat storage. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it can dehydrate you. Dehydration can lead to water retention and bloating, making your stomach appear larger. Additionally, carbonated alcoholic beverages can introduce gas into your digestive system, causing further bloating. Alcohol can interfere with your sleep patterns. Poor sleep is linked to weight gain, particularly around the belly, due to its impact on hormones that regulate hunger and fat storage. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more: fried foods. They might be delicious, but if you're aiming for a flat belly, fried foods are definitely something to avoid. Fried foods are typically cooked in oils that contain unhealthy trans fats and saturated fats. These fats are known to contribute to weight gain and belly fat, as well as increase the risk of heart disease. They are calorie-dense, meaning they pack a lot of calories into a small serving. This can easily lead to overconsumption of calories, which can result in weight gain and increased abdominal fat. The frying process often strips foods of their nutritional value, leaving behind empty calories with minimal vitamins and minerals. This means you're consuming high-calorie foods that don't provide essential nutrients your body needs. Fried foods can be hard to digest and can lead to bloating and discomfort. This can make your stomach look and feel distended. Next on our list of foods to avoid for a flat belly are high-sodium foods. These can be sneaky contributors to belly bloat and overall weight gain. Sodium causes your body to retain water, leading to bloating and puffiness. This water retention can make your belly look and feel more distended. Consuming too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, which is associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. High blood pressure can also affect your energy levels and overall health, making it harder to maintain an active lifestyle that supports weight loss. Many high-sodium foods don't taste particularly salty. Foods like bread, cheese, and certain cereals can have high sodium content. Processed and pre-packaged foods are especially notorious for hidden sodium. Excessive sodium intake can affect your metabolism and how your body processes fat. High sodium levels can interfere with insulin sensitivity, making it harder to lose belly fat. Cutting back on high-sodium foods can significantly help reduce belly bloat and improve your overall health. Lastly, let's talk about artificial sweeteners. They're often marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, but if you're aiming for a flat belly, they might not be the best choice. Artificial sweeteners can trick your brain into expecting calories and nutrients that aren't delivered. This can increase cravings and appetite, leading to overeating and potential weight gain. Some artificial sweeteners, like sucralose and aspartame, can negatively affect gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion and metabolism, and disruptions can lead to bloating and weight gain. Studies have shown that artificial sweeteners can interfere with metabolic processes, including how your body processes glucose and insulin. This can lead to insulin resistance, a risk factor for increased belly fat. Consuming artificial sweeteners might make people feel they can indulge more in other high-calorie foods, leading to an overall increase in calorie intake. The sweet taste without the calories can sometimes make people overcompensate by eating more. This can hinder efforts to maintain a calorie deficit necessary for weight loss. And there you have it, folks, our guide to the top foods to avoid for a flat belly. By steering clear of these culprits and opting for healthier alternatives, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Remember, achieving a flat belly is about more than just appearance. It's about feeling your best and supporting your overall health and well-being. So, let's toast to making healthier choices, nourishing our bodies, and embracing the journey to a happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.